Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be taking a look at an Apple Watch case put out by the company BANDLETIC. All right, excellent package, man. It's really awesome, man. Really excellent quality. Really nice. I like this. You got a Velcro, and the crown of the watch is going to fit in here, and adjustable and all that kind of good stuff. Really excellent. I like this. So, but anyway, your normal iWatch. I can't say anything bad about the iWatch at all. Once or twice I've been out here working wood and stuff like that and had this rip off, and but I'd say this right here is really going to be great because it's nice, stout, and everything like that. But we're going to take these bands off and get the crown put up in there. All right, we've taken the old Apple Watch bands off. All right, inserted inside the little faceplate there. Real stylish looking. Check that out. I've touched it so often it says I gotta wait 1 minute before I log in. All right, got on the old wrist and adjust it just like that. I like this. Really stout. I don't think this could ever get ripped off your arm. BANDLETIC, I think you got a good product there. There will be an appropriate link in the description and a discount. So be looking for the video here in just a few days, and y'all take care. Well, I can say this. This is a really stoutly built band, and whether you're inside working on the shop carving spoons or out working in the yard somewhere or hiking or camping, yeah, this is really a nice stout build, comfortable wear. Great job, appreciate it. Looks like we're gonna get some storms here very shortly, so